Welcome to Rome Tech. Be sure to subscribe and hit that like button for more tech-focused content. Today, we're diving into the world of online payment processing with a closer look at OnPay. Located at OnPay.com, OnPay offers a comprehensive platform designed to streamline payroll and HR processes for businesses of all sizes. This platform isn't just about cutting checks, it's a fully integrated system that simplifies complex tasks, allowing you to manage everything from salary and hourly pay to contractor payments, all in one convenient location. OnPay's robust feature set goes beyond basic payroll. They provide tools for managing benefits administration, including health insurance and 401(k) plans. This integrated approach allows for a seamless flow of information, minimizing errors and reducing administrative headaches. For businesses dealing with a variety of employee types, OnPay handles the complexities of different payment structures with ease, ensuring accurate and timely compensation for everyone. Navigating tax regulations can be a daunting task, but OnPay takes the stress out of tax compliance by automatically calculating and filing federal, state, and local taxes. This automated system not only saves you valuable time but also helps mitigate the risk of penalties due to incorrect filings. Furthermore, OnPay provides comprehensive reporting tools, giving you valuable insights into your payroll data and overall financial health. The user-friendly interface is designed with simplicity in mind, making it easy to navigate even for those without extensive payroll experience. OnPay also prioritizes security, employing robust measures to protect sensitive employee and company data. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, OnPay offers scalable solutions to adapt to your evolving needs. So, if you're looking for a reliable, efficient, and feature-rich payroll and HR solution, be sure to check out OnPay.com. You can also explore their resources and learn more about the specific features they offer to optimize your business processes.